Hi guys, are you ready to learn some intermediate English? Let's go. Today we have another story. Why you can't speak English. Lena stood in front of the mirror. She had passed her English exam, but she still couldn't speak. The silent classroom. In school, Lena always got high scores in English. She memorized vocabulary and grammar rules, but she never spoke in class. A quiet belief. Lena thought, maybe I'm just not good at speaking. She believed that for many years, so she stayed quiet. The interview. After graduation, Lena applied for a job at a tech company in Shanghai. The manager smiled and said, "Let's speak in English." Lena's hand started to shake. Words disappeared. She knew the words, but when she tried to speak, nothing came out. Her mind went blank. Rejected. The manager said, "Sorry, we need someone who can speak with confidence." Lena thanked him quietly. Then she walked out with her head down. A hard question. That night, Lena sat alone in her room. She asked herself, why can I understand English but not speak it? She needed a real answer. The real problem. The problem wasn't her grammar. It wasn't her vocabulary. The real problem was fear. Afraid to be wrong. Lena was afraid of making mistakes. She didn't want to sound stupid. She didn't want to lose face. Babies don't care. Then she remembered her little cousin learning to speak. The baby made many mistakes, but never stopped trying. That's how children learn. Her new rule. Lena made a decision. She said, I will speak English every day, even if I make mistakes. Day 1. She recorded a short video on Hello Talk. Hello, my name is Lena. It wasn't perfect, but it was brave. Day 7. She joined an English with Sherry livestream to practice speaking. Her voice was shaking, but she introduced herself anyway. People encouraged her. Good job, someone said. You are brave, another added. Lena smiled. She felt proud. Day 30. She went to a cafe and spoke to a foreign barista. She ordered coffee in English. The barista understood her. Still learning. Lena still made small mistakes, but now she laughed at them. She knew that making mistakes was okay. Try again. She applied for the same tech job again. This time, she felt ready. The interview began in English. This time, she spoke. Lena didn't speak perfectly, but she answered every question. She didn't freeze. She got the job. The manager smiled. Welcome to the team, he said. Lena smiled back with confidence. Why you can't speak English? It's not because you're not smart. It's not your accent. It's your fear. Speak anyway. Speak even if you feel nervous. Speak even if you make mistakes. Speak, because speaking builds courage. Speaking builds fluency. Reading helps you learn. Listening helps you understand. But speaking makes you fluent. Make your rule. Make your own promise like Lena did. I will speak English every day. No matter what. You are not alone. Every fluent speaker was once afraid. They made mistakes too. You are not alone. Join the English with Sherry community on Hello Talk, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Let's learn to speak English together. Don't wait to be perfect. You don't need perfect English. You just need courage. Speak today. Speak with heart, because your voice matters more than you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.